Apple's next-generation iPad mini is rumored to receive a significant upgrade, but the biggest question is, will it be worth the wait? With potential upgrades including OLED display technology, a powerful A18 Pro or A18 chip, a 120Hz refresh rate, and increased storage capacity, this device could be a game-changer. But with a potential price tag of $499 or $599 for the Pro model, it's clear that Apple is targeting a premium market. Will the iPad mini 7 live up to the hype? Only time will tell. A recent leak suggests that Apple is planning to upgrade the iPad mini's display technology to OLED, organic light emitting diode. This move would likely provide several benefits, including better contrast, darker blacks, and more vivid colors. OLED displays also tend to be more energy efficient, which could lead to longer battery life. While this upgrade would be a significant improvement, the leak indicates that it may not be available until 2026. This means that the next generation iPad mini, expected in 2024, will likely still feature an LCD liquid crystal display screen. The delay may be due to various factors such as production constraints or technological challenges. Apple may be working to perfect its OLED technology or ensure a stable supply chain before releasing the updated display. If the leak proves accurate, the 2026 iPad mini would likely be a significant upgrade, offering a more immersive visual experience and potentially longer battery life. This would make the device even more appealing to those seeking a portable, high-quality tablet for entertainment, creativity, or productivity. The iPad mini 7 is anticipated to feature a significant upgrade in processing power, with rumors suggesting that it will be equipped with either the A18 Pro or A18 chip. This will provide a notable boost in performance and efficiency compared to its predecessor, which housed the A15 Bionic chip. The A17 Pro chip is expected to offer improved performance and power management, enabling users to enjoy demanding tasks and apps without experiencing significant battery drain. On the other hand, the A18 chip would represent a more significant leap in processing power, potentially positioning the iPad mini 7 as a formidable competitor in the tablet market. Both chip options would likely enhance the overall user experience, enabling smoother multitasking, faster app loading times, and improved graphics rendering. Additionally, the increased processing power could also support advanced features like augmented reality and artificial intelligence applications. The inclusion of either the A17 Pro or A18 chip would solidify the iPad mini 7's position as a premium device, catering to users who demand exceptional performance and efficiency in a compact form factor. A potential upgrade to the iPad mini 7's display technology could be the addition of a promotion display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This would provide a significant improvement in terms of display quality, making it comparable to the iPad Pro series. The higher refresh rate would allow for a smoother visual experience with reduced screen tearing and motion blur. This upgrade would be particularly noticeable in tasks that require fast-paced visuals such as gaming and video streaming. Additionally, the increased refresh rate would make the display feel more responsive, enhancing the overall user experience. However, it is important to note that this upgrade may not be available for the base model iPad mini 7 and could potentially be limited to higher-end variants. Furthermore, the additional 120Hz display would likely increase the device's power consumption, potentially affecting battery life. Nonetheless, the inclusion of this technology would solidify the iPad mini 7's position as a premium device, offering users a high-quality display that rivals its Pro counterparts. A potential design change in the iPad mini 7 is the relocation of the front camera to the horizontal side. This alteration would likely be made to enhance the overall user experience, particularly in landscape mode. By moving the camera to the side, users would no longer have to contend with an awkwardly placed camera when engaging in video calls or taking selfies in landscape orientation. This design shift would also align the iPad mini 7 with other Apple devices such as the iPad Air and iPad Pro, which already feature side-mounted front cameras. Moreover, this change could potentially lead to a more seamless and immersive experience when using the device in landscape mode, as the camera would be positioned more naturally. However, it is worth noting that this design change may also have some drawbacks, such as potentially affecting the device's aesthetic appeal or requiring adjustments to existing cases and accessories. Nonetheless, the relocation of the front camera to the horizontal side would likely be a welcome update for many users, enhancing the overall functionality and usability of the iPad mini 7. The iPad mini 7 is expected to receive a significant upgrade in storage capacity, with the starting model potentially doubling its storage to 128 GB. This increase would provide users with more space to store their apps, photos, videos, and files, reducing the need for cloud storage or frequent deletions. Moreover, the highest storage option could be bumped up to 512 gigabytes, catering to users who require ample storage for their extensive media libraries, games, or creative projects. This increased storage capacity would make the iPad mini 7 an even more attractive option for those seeking a portable, powerful, and feature-rich device. The storage upgrade would also align the iPad mini 7 with other Apple devices, which have similarly increased their storage capacities in recent years. This move would further solidify the iPad mini 7's position as a premium device, offering users a robust and future-proof storage solution that meets their growing needs. Overall, the increased storage capacity would enhance the user experience, providing a more seamless and efficient way to store and access files on the go. The price of the iPad mini 7 is expected to start at $499, maintaining the same price point as its predecessor. This base model price will likely come with increased storage capacity, starting at 128 gigabytes, providing users with more space for their apps, photos, and files. If the iPad mini 7 is upgraded to an iPad mini Pro, the price is expected to increase by $100, starting at $599. This higher price point would reflect the additional features and upgrades that come with the Pro designation, such as improved processors, higher storage capacity, and potentially even OLED panels. The price increase for the Pro model would position the iPad mini 7 as a premium device, targeting users who require advanced features and capabilities. This move would align with Apple's pricing strategy for its other Pro devices, such as the iPad Pro and MacBook Pro. Overall, the pricing of the iPad mini 7 will reflect its positioning as a powerful and feature-rich device, offering users a range of options to suit their needs and budget.